no. There's a rare replacement going on down here, yeah? That's a X, is that one of the X CT Plus E200s I'm seeing right there? Actually, wait, what is that, fam? What is that? Is that a Riva one or what? Oh no, it's X-Rap, but it's been repainted, fam. Wait, so it's an XYX11, but it's been repainted as if it's a Riva E200. What the fuck? But yeah, that clearly belongs to a different company now. That's clearly no longer Wrapped. I wasn't really aware Wrapped sold their YX11s. But I'm seeing the first street light down there. I'm seeing the first bus street light down there. So I gotta ride that, clearly. Obviously, I gotta ride that. Because I don't know when's the next time I get a chance to ride one for free. But on this Trident, man, I'm riding that street light. I know most of you man will go for the Trident, bro, but I'm going for that street light. I'm going for that street light. There's even the ALX down here. Oh, this is brand new. I like the branding ADL do now with the MMCs. They actually included Enviro 400 on them this time. Nice, that is some nice badging, man. I rate that. It's a shame London can't have any more, man, because of this stupid Sadiq Khan. I'm trying to see the the fucking bus is going, man. Oh fuck. Oh, it's a Daimler one. I didn't know first had Daimler streetlights. Aye. Sorry, boss. Boss, where do I board the bus? Where's your first bus stop? I just want to take the bus for a ride. Oh, are you doing railway replacement? Where are you going? Oh, okay. Boss. Oh my god. Man said the station, that's a long fucking walk, man. I'm gonna have to run that. Oh my god. Stand this cruelness, man. I had to literally run all the way here. Fuck's sakes. Boss expected me to run all the way here just for his bus. Oh, there's the rat one again. Oh, it's leaving. Alright, cool. Bro, what? Is he not stopping? I give up, fam. Bro, he even chat to man. You saw that? He chat to man. I assumed he was gonna stop there for me. What the fuck is this, man? You've got to be taking a mick.